SAP Business One, the simple yet powerful solution for material requirements planning. This demonstration shows how SAP Business One lets you analyze inventory supply and demand and receive automated make or buy recommendations, providing a single, integrated solution that enables you to maintain cost-effective inventory levels, make informed decisions, and quickly respond to customer demands. SAP Business One provides an MRP wizard. In just 5 easy steps, you can analyze supply and demand for manufactured goods and purchased items. You can create a new scenario or select an existing one. In this example, we select a scenario for the SBO 100 pump. You can enter parameters such as the scenario name. You can define the planning horizon by days or weeks. Enter dates to calculate the report length. You can run the scenario for a single item, a group of items, or item properties. You can also select properties for the results. For example, you can see finished good items first and then components. Next, you can define supply and demand criteria. You can consider existing stock levels, purchase orders, sales orders, production orders, and more. You can also include a sales forecast. SAP Business One lets you define sales forecasts for different demands and different periods. In this scenario, we choose the high forecast. You can consider the initial stock quantities for a specific warehouse or all warehouses. After you run the scenario, the results appear in the MRP results window. There is a row for each item and a column for each period in the planning horizon. The quantities show the net requirement for that item on that day. A requirement for a finished good creates an MRP for all components. You can expand each row to see the net requirements calculation. On May 26, there is a net requirement of 400, an initial stock quantity of 0, and a gross requirement of 400. You can peg to see what's driving the requirements. There are 2 sales orders, each with a quantity of 50. There's also a high forecast demand of 300. You can drill down for more information. The quantity is 400 in the forecast, but 300 in the pegging information window. We have selected to have sales orders consume the forecast, so sales orders won't inflate inventory. Now you can save the recommendation to the Order Recommendation Report. SAP Business One automatically generates an Order Recommendation Report. The report shows which items should be made or bought based on a range of parameters. As requirements change, new recommendations are saved to the report. You can sort the report by a range of criteria. By selecting the header, you can create all the items listed, or you can select specific items. If purchasing several items from one vendor, you can consolidate them in a single purchase order. Items with an exception are clearly marked and include an exception message. You can easily select an alternative item with a shorter lead time. You can also convert production orders to purchase orders. Enter the vendor code, and the last purchase price is automatically called in. The purchase orders and production orders are automatically created. They're clearly marked as originating from MRP, and each has a plan status.